So let's use the other API we have here, which is Parse. We will load in just a single page from a financial document. You can see that the configuration for Parse is much simpler than extract because we don't have a schema. The most important part is the mode. So as I said, it's the trade-off between speed and quality. Agentic does the most analysis of the layout and, for example, will recognize text within logos and other graphics, as well as just recognizing the overall page text. Understand is also a very good option, but it's a little bit faster than Agentic. And then there are some other options like whether we want to have the tables as markdown or as HTML. Let's say we want to have them as markdown and run that. So you can see that what we get back from Parse is a list of blocks of text within the document, which are in the natural reading order. Each block is assigned a role, like whether it's a heading or regular text or a table, including its rows and columns. We can also look at the complete markdown representation of the document. So as long as the document is not too long, this would be a good format for passing to a large language model. For longer documents, you of course have access to the same markdown, but split up in each block with, again, the JSON we saw before. And then we've got also the markdown rendered nicely here. So let's just do one final document. So this is another page from a financial report. And we'll just see here that this chart in the middle is picked up as a picture. So it's preserved in the results alongside the text elements. So this is all I wanted to show in the studio. This is a good place to try out different documents with the different modes and work on the schema to make sure it's extracting the particular information that you want. Once you have tried that out, you could then integrate it into an actual automated process in your code. So we have examples in a few programming languages here showing making the API calls to data extraction. So you can set up your process.